One of the most critical elements affecting picture quality is the state of your camera's lenses. Clean lenses result in a sharper and crisper photographs and tend to survive longer than unclean ones for obvious reasons. What's up everyone, Raph here from B&C Camera, and today we've created this camera lens cleaning tutorial to help you preserve your camera lenses and ensure they can take high quality photos daily. First up obviously is you're going to want to remove as much dirt as possible. Remove as much dirt as possible using an air blower and a soft bristled brush. Place a drop or two of lens cleaning fluid on a microfiber cloth or clean wipe. Wipe the lens in a circular motion from the outer to inner areas, removing fingerprints, oil, smudges, dirt, and dust. Now here are some helpful hints on how to keep your camera lens clean even after you've learned how to clean it. Use a lens filter. If you're serious about photography, then you probably already know the importance of using a lens filter. A lens filter is a piece of glass that attaches to the front of your lens to help protect it from damage. In addition, lens filters can also be used to change the way your camera interprets light, giving you more creative control over your photos. Use a lens cap. Remember to put your front and rear lens cap on your lenses before you store it in a bag. It's best to keep your lenses in your camera case so they don't gather dust. As soon as you take a lens off your camera body, be sure to either attach another lens or put the cap back on both the body and the camera lens. It would help if you always had the lens cap on when you're not using your camera. Now here are some helpful tips to clean your camera lens. Tip the camera downwards. Keep your mirrorless camera or DSLR camera facing down when you swap out lenses. That way you won't get any dust on the sensor or lens optics. The only time the camera should be facing up is when you're cleaning the camera's sensor. The next one's a really big one. Avoid using canned air at all costs. Canned or compressed air can ruin the camera sensor and shatter the lens's optics if you're not careful. If you gotta blow dust off your lens, opt for a manual blower instead. It's much safer because the gust of wind isn't as pressurized. Clean regularly, but only when needed. Don't let dirt and dust collect on your lens mount for too long. Before it adheres to the rear of your mirrorless lens or DSLR lens, clean it off. Dirt and quick dust removal will reduce the likelihood of these particles reaching your camera's optics. Now, how often should you clean your camera lens? How often you clean your camera lens is just as important as how to properly clean your camera lenses. You should only need to clean your camera lenses when necessary and as infrequently as possible. That being said, some circumstances may require you to clean your camera lens many times in a day or even throughout a single shoot. Removing your lens cap, look at the front element of your camera lens. If you see any dust, smudges, lint, or water spots, it's time to clean your camera before shooting. Always inspect front and rear lens elements for debris before attaching a new lens to your camera body. If you see any smudges or dust on the back components of the lens, clean it off. Otherwise, when you mount the lens, you could introduce contaminants into your camera or onto the sensor. If you're shooting in weather that's active, on a windy or cloudy day, or in any other scenario where smudges or foreign things may enter the camera, check your lens after each shoot and clean it off if necessary. Always store your lens properly. Always store your lenses and other camera gear in a dry, sealed bag, pouch, or case when you're not using them, and this will protect items from moisture and debris. Some great storage options include lens wraps, sleeves, pajamas, and microfiber towels. Your camera lenses are a significant investment, and you must treat your money respectfully if you want to make the most of every penny. Maintain excellent care of your mirrorless lenses or DSLR lenses so that you may take high-quality photographs for a long time. In the long run, prioritizing a clean camera lens will save you time and aggravation. So, it goes without saying, a clean lens will produce super clean shots. If you guys found this little guide helpful and informative, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. Of course, I am none other than Raph from B&C Camera, and I'll see you guys in another video.